Hey there, fellow money savers. Welcome back to our finance channel, where we share all the tips and tricks you need to stretch your dollar. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects us all: how to save money on groceries. And trust me, we're going to have a blast while doing it. I'm your host, Sprightly, the finance expert with a sprinkle of comedy. So, let's dive right in. Picture this: you stroll through the supermarket aisles, eyeing those enticing displays and mouth-watering treats. But wait, before you give in to temptation and empty your wallet, let me guide you through the art of grocery shopping on a budget. And don't worry, I promise you won't have to give up your favorite snacks. Step 1. Plan like a pro. Before you hit the supermarket, make a list of the essentials you need. And remember, stick to the list. No room for spontaneous decisions here. Unless it's a really good deal on ice cream, then we can bend the rules a little. Step 2. Coupons, coupons, coupons. Flip those babies, print them out, or go digital, whichever method suits you best. Coupons are your secret weapon to save big on your grocery bill. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you find discounts. Who said saving money couldn't be exciting? Step 3. Embrace the generic. Brand loyalty can be expensive, so be open to trying store brands or generics. Trust me, they often taste just as good and cost a fraction of the price. Plus, you can use that extra money you save to treat yourself to a fancy dessert later. Win-win. Step 4. Timing is everything. Keep an eye on sales, promotions, and markdowns. Plan your shopping trips around those glorious discounts. It's like a strategic game where you conquer the supermarket and save a ton of money in the process. Who said finance couldn't be an adventure? Step 5. Bulk buying to the rescue. When you find a great deal on non-perishable items or your favorite snacks, stock up. Buying in bulk can significantly reduce your cost per unit. Just make sure you have enough storage space, or you might find yourself sleeping next to towers of toilet paper. Step 6. Meal prep like a champ. Planning your meals for the week not only saves you time and stress, but also helps you avoid unnecessary impulse purchases. And hey, you might discover your inner Gordon Ramsay in the process. Cooking up budget-friendly meals has never been this entertaining. Step 7. Don't forget your loyal companion, the shopping app. Nowadays, there are tons of apps that offer digital coupons, price comparisons, and even cashback rewards. It's like having a personal finance assistant right in your pocket. Just be careful not to get too addicted to those addictive shopping notifications. And there you have it, my friends, a step-by-step guide to saving money on groceries that's as entertaining as it is informative. Remember, finance doesn't have to be all numbers and seriousness. We can have a laugh while building our financial empire, one discounted grocery item at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our money-saving adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your wallets full and your sense of humor even fuller. Take care, my fellow money-saving legends.